Alright folks, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about black people and the coronavirus. Coronavirus to me is like an ex-girlfriend, the one you're trying to get rid of, who does not want to leave. She doesn't know when they want to leave, don't know, just don't want to go. Just, go. And it may sound like a joke, but it's serious, very, very serious. I'm in my car right now because I have to pick up, my mom. You know what I'm saying? So I gotta finish this video before my mom comes out because she don't like videos. Okay, so we have to protect ourselves, folks. So we gotta take care of ourselves, man. The virus is not gone. It is still here. You know what I mean? And unfortunately, a lot of us think that it's oh, it's over. It's gone. No, it's not. It's not. We gotta take this thing serious, yo. Protect your family, protect yourself, protect your surrounding, man. Use precautions. This thing is so deadly, man. Now it's getting better, but I still seen folks out there, but the reason why I'm getting on us black folks so much, the rate of how we are dying, and we're dying more than whites because of this, this thing. The virus is affecting, and it's just telling you that we're not doing what we're supposed to be doing. We're not taking it serious. You know what I mean? Yeah. They're killing black folks at the rate of 3 to 1. Like, wow. And guess what? There ain't that much of us. In America, at least. You know what I mean? So, they gave us that little money, right? Yeah. And some of that money is for us to go shopping and go out and do this stuff. We're dying, folks. We're dying. Please take it serious, man. The thing that really, every day a new study comes out. To me, they still don't know what is going on with this, right? You can have the symptoms and you don't know. You can bring it around your family, you know what I mean? Your friends. Like somebody I trust could come around. Like, really and truly, nobody come around me and my family. Y'all stay the fuck out of here. I don't want y'all here. I'm not coming to your place, you don't come to my place. I'm picking up my mom now because it's my mom. She's coming from the doctor. You know what I'm saying? So I got my mask on, she got her mask on, you know what I mean? I'm getting her, I'm stopped to get her what you call it now, her stuff filled, prescription. You know what I'm saying to you? And that's it. I'm picking her up, going home, head back into my home, and that's it. But please, man, we all need to be serious, man. Take this shit serious, dog. I mean, it's at a point now where you don't know what to expect. We just don't know. You know what I mean? And I want to feel safe, The thing I'm glad about is that my grandmother is not in the country right now. She's back home, and she's in the, she's in the woods, you know what I'm saying? And I love that. When I say the woods, I don't mean the woods, she's in a country area where it's safe, you know what I mean? It's safe, and I'm glad for that because, man, something happened to that woman, man, I don't know what Lord have mercy. I don't know what would have happened to me, man. You know what I mean, yo? Yeah, you know what I mean? My mom and my grandmother, dog, that's it, man. You know what I mean? There's a choice I had this morning. Don't get me wrong, between picking up my mom and my dad. Hey, you know who come first, right? Okay. But I'd rather pick up my mom than have her in an Uber or anywhere. Mom comes first. Mom got to be safe. You know what I mean? But, black folks, please take this thing serious, man. This thing is no joke, yo. It'll drop us at a rate of, you know what I'm saying? Come on, man. We have got to, man. Some of these people who just want to go out there and shop and party and drink and floss and do all that, you can do that. And, the time is coming for that, yo. It's coming for that. But the coronavirus is not gone as yet, man. This thing is not gone, Please, I beg on you. Please, I'm begging y'all. I'm smiling, but I'm serious, man. Yo, take the coronavirus serious. Yeah, man. All right? I'll see you guys later. Look over some more videos coming. I got my kids in the kitchen. I'm going to be in the kitchen too, all right? So share, subscribe, and bless up. One love. Up, up. Yeah, man.